If one more person comes up to me on a Monday and says, Happy Monday, I'm gonna beat the fuck out of them. Happy Monday, my ass. What's so great about Monday? Except for the long ass work week that's about to start. Ain't nothing grand about a Monday. Nothing. Not a damn thing. The fact that you're coming up to me and saying, Hey, happy Monday. Yeah, guess what? Nothing happy about it. So take your positive ass and get the hell out of here. Okay? I ain't dealing with that shit no more. Positive Monday, my ass. You gotta be freaking kidding me. I'm counting down the days till Friday so I can go out and just freaking party. That's what Elmo wants to do. Just party his ass off. Yeah. Happy Monday. Gotta get out of here. Gotta freaking get out of here.